this is my update for my Honda 87 video. I will be doing similar things to an 86 and 85, but I'm going to do a parts. There's a whole bunch of parts I got. I'll show you. First thing I got are Motion Pro. Which one is this? This is vinyl foot brake cables. I'm hoping this will work on that one. And I'm pretty sure it will, because this looks a hell of a lot shorter than the other two cables I got. So I am excited to install this. Believe it or not, I got 3 of them because they were cheap, and I have 2 more bikes to build, and the other one needs a cable change soon. So I got 3 of those. I kind of think I accidentally ordered one twice. So I also picked up a Motion Pro. That's that, Motion Pro. Genuine cable meets or exceeds OE quality. Made in China, black vinyl. It's I think this is the rear brake cable. Yeah, this is a rear ATV Honda. Made in China, Honda cable. This is the rear brake cable. So I had a lot of trouble with that stupid brake cable that was with it, and I think that was probably the wrong cable, because this bike was a Frankenstein bike that somebody built, and believe me, there was a lot of Frankenstein parts that didn't, like, there was even bolts that were barely in there, just kind of like, they're almost the same size, we'll just put in there, because humans are weird. I also picked up, I'll show you one side. I picked up a set of Meyer plastic fenders. And believe it or not, I'm totally impressed with this company, because I ordered them thinking, at first I was like, nah, I'll wait till next month. I'm like, you know what? Screw it, I'm ordering them anyway. It's like, bit the button, bit the dust, bit the, whatever the hell they call it. Yeah. I ordered them, and I forgot that I need rubber pieces right here. So I gotta go through and find 8 rubber grommets. But I found out they're also available brand new on Parzilla, so you can get the rubbers and the bolts and the little things still, which is weird because you can't buy the fenders, can't buy a lot of other shit, but you can buy the little rubber grommet, the little thing in there, and the bolt. I can understand that little thing that goes the hold so you don't squish the fender, being used on other bikes, but why would, so anyway. But with that said, I was impressed because when I bought it on eBay, because they're actually cheaper on eBay than off of Meyer's website. And I got free shipping, and I was impressed because they were like, yeah, you'll get it in like 2 weeks. So I was like all excited, you don't get the bike ready for 2 weeks. The damn thing showed up like 4 days later. So, way to go, whoever I bought this off of on eBay, way to go. I'm like impressed. 4 days of, like, I literally think I ordered on a Sunday and showed up on Tuesday or Wednesday. So, oh, and I got both sides. The other one's over there. So with that. So I got the fenders. Put these cables over here. I picked up a few weeks ago in a panic of having no rear brake thing. I picked up this. It's funny, if you troll eBay and find parts, you'll find there's a lot of cheap parts and a lot of people who are ripping people off in parts. I picked up this whole rear brake assembly, which goes on like, I think like this. Goes on like that. It's in pretty mint shape interior. I mean, I don't know. It's a 86 250S. I don't know if like this is a showroom quality bike or what. I'm gonna clean off the outside, put this back together, clean the drum, and I think I have another brake drum and cover. I'm gonna clean it all up. I'm gonna paint this, get it all set, put it on the side, and I'm gonna use it to actually put together on the 86 because the whole rear swing arm on the other one I'm rebuilding also. Now that I know how to dismember it and put it back together, I'm going to put the whole thing back together. I'm going to rebuild while I'm playing with this one. I'm going to make me some space and rebuild the whole other one. The only thing I haven't figured out, though, is once I rebuild this bike and get it running, where am I going to put the other one? So, I don't know. With that said, picked up a loose racing air filter. I have an OEM Honda one, which I think the hole's too small, or like maybe you have to heat up the rubber or something. But I have an OEM one and this one, and I want to see the difference. And So got the air filter because that one, it's okay. I also picked up, what else? Let's see. What else? The rear light plates, because I'm missing two for the other bike. There are two plates. They're going to be re-sandblasted. I got the new brake lever. These are, it's so crazy. Like, they're selling these used brake levers for like 79 bucks off the bike, and you can buy them for like $12 brand new. I mean, who's gonna know that? Oh, you put a genuine replacement look alike, but you can't tell the difference. They're all made in China or Japan. Where they made? Oh, Taiwan. So it's a little better quality than Indonesian. I picked up. Oh yeah, I got the genuine Honda Hypoid gear oil. So they packed it in a plastic bag like Merry Christmas. So I got the gear oil, even though I already filled it with some other gear oil. I also picked up a, hey, what's that? Boss bearings replacement. I think these are rear swing arm bearings, if I'm correct. I think. And I think these are also rear swing arm bearings because I'm going to put new ones on this one and new ones on this one. The only thing I can't figure out is the old swing arm bearings are like got a taper on them. So let me check here. See, these are, they're not so, oh yeah, they got a, oh okay, no, it's the little sleeve. Yeah, okay, I see it now. It's got the taper on it. So I got to take the little collar out of there, that's why. Comes with the new rubber pluggy. So yeah, that's gonna be another disaster because now I got to take the whole rear end off again and change the bearings. At least I know now that the bearings will come out because they popped out last time. So that's good. I also, you're also gonna think like, what is he made of money? No, I sold a few things and I bought a few things. So when you get rid of stuff in your life and you replace it with other junk you don't need. Plus, I have a, besides the fenders, I have a budget that I spend, and it's about $100. The fenders are were an exceedingly retarded amount of money, but I spend about $100 bucks, and then I've been taking parts off other bikes, and some of the stuff is weeks and weeks. Like you watch these videos, they're weeks. I also got a, I think that's it, basically. That's pretty much it for Honda parts. So you're gonna see me put the front brake cable, brake thing on. The brake cable that I bought off the other one, I think was Kimpex cable, that works. So any of you Honda gurus are watching, the Kimpex front cable works. I can't find a Moose Racing, or not a Motion Pro front brake cable on eBay. But also thanks to this old trike, I was watching one of your videos, and you gave me the Rocky Mountain. You gave everybody, not just me, everybody on YouTube, the notification that Rocky Mountain ATV MC has all kinds of cool stuff. So I found a way to save a little bit of money, and I need to buy some more bolts for the back end of the bike. And it just so happens all the little things I need, all these little rotten things cost like $6 each, and we need for 8 of them times $6. It adds up for a little piece. The little rubber pieces here, the grommets, these are in pretty good shape. I mean, for 30-year-old rubber things, these rubber pieces are, I'm guessing, if they're not 37 years old, they're at least 39 years old. Because this one was off an 87, but I don't know if the fenders were originally on 87. And the other set over there I have is from 86, so that's, what, 38 years old. And some of the ones, I don't know where I put the ones from the 85, because I can't seem to find them anywhere. So those are 39 years old, so these are starting to get crispy, so I'm like, you know what, I think I'm going to put these on there, and maybe I'm going to heat them up in hot water and butter them up somehow with some soap and put them on for now. But I'm going to buy some new ones because they're getting a little crispy. It's like the gas line hose. I took it off there. I guess it was on there for 30 years, and it was literally like, it felt like lead pipe. So you do the math. My bench is a mess. And with that said, this video is almost 10 minutes long. I hope I'm not babbling too much. Yes, I am. I know. I babble. That's all I do. Blah, 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 blah. So if you like, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, leave a message, whatever. Toodles. And thanks for watching.